Yeah, man, I tour with Elephant Man for like 3-4 years, you know. When Elephant Man are the artist, when Elephant Man I get DJ for the year for like 4 or 5 years in a row, Bugle was very, 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 very active in his career behind the scene. All right, what if I song? When Elephant I travel,
Like,
when
can you give us an
Elephant
example which song, like one
when
of the songs?
Elephant Man I work with a voice for like all Mariah Carey and Will Smith and them people. And me and him alone fly and go to them work there, you know. All right, our next little piece of history. Usain Bolt first commercial
Yeah.
is Elephant Man song.
Yeah, man, that Puma, that's a
You
commercial.
see, a song where I say, man I go all out, y'all make them ball out. That's my song. That's Usain Bolt first commercial.
What girl out of your side?
Yeah, man. Every line.
Wow.
And that I see Bolt first commercial. Puma used that for them official commercial at the time. You see me, and that are my song, every line.
That listening to it, it sounds like you, but it kind of like
Yeah, man, a whole heap of contribution we contribute, man. A whole heap of contribute to the industry. We do a whole heap of work before.
Wow, you demystify people come here and say that it sounds like you know really thinking back, but
yeah, right up the road advice, man. Up at Scorpio studio. From Mulline, stop this.